What's up, everyone? Today we're going to be taking the 350 cubic inch TBI monstrosity out of my grandfather's old pickup truck and installing a 500 cubic inch big block with an Allison transmission. We have our work cut out for us. So other than the hood and the radiator core support, virtually everything else under this hood is going to be replaced. That is including the brake booster, I believe. I haven't really decided 100% yet. Comment down below, should we switch over to hydro? I've been going back and forth. Some people say, well, if you lose your engine, then you're going to lose the hydro. Well, if you lose your engine, you lose your vacuum. So it doesn't really matter. You're going to get one pump out of it no matter what. But for long hauling and overall towing, it's going to be a lot better. It's going to be a lot smoother, if you will. That being said, there's a lot of stuff that needs to just get pitched. These fenders are not in terrible condition. It'd be good for taking it to church, but other than that, really not that terrible. That being said, I am going to need my buddy to come down and help me take this hood off because I don't think it's as heavy as, say, the Buick's hood, but it's a lot heavier than the Supra's hood and the old 72 Satellite. Now, I do have a replacement grill for this, but we do want to hold on to them. They're in pretty decent shape, a little bit worse for wear as far as the faux chrome is going, but we'll make sure we put them somewhere safe. One step at a time, guys, one step at a time. But hey, at least it's a decently windy day out. You know, nothing quite beats that. All right, guys, a bag of bolts later, and we should be able to... Shit.
What's your profanity?
Did I break it? It's got some convenient go handles here. Lean it forward, and then... Here we go. Set this aside. It's that easy, guys. So the next phase is going to be actually pulling the engine, and I haven't decided if I'm going to pull the bumper. We're going to have to wait and see how things kind of come together. Most likely the bumper's going to come off. I want to avoid that, but you know, otherwise the actual mounting structures of everything in here looks pretty solid. There's a lot of stuff we're going to have to move out of the way. The steering box is rough. I think we might want to invest some time in cleaning that up. We're going to be pulling this whole front suspension apart anyways, so getting this engine out. It's going to be going to a new home in a most likely a 67 Camaro. All right, let's get ready to rock and roll, guys. Now the only thing I will have to do is the wiring harness kind of loops behind this and I can't get to everything. I think I got it all unbolted, but like I need to separate it from the engine. Now the transmission mount has been disconnected. The engine mounts, all the wiring, all the hoses. You're making some god-awful noises today. Sound like, oh, and there was your transmission mount. Just fell off the back of it because I unbolted the bottom and unbolted the top. That way it would boop, and it would just, those are technical terms, of course. We don't want any crunchy noises. Just want you to come out. Oh no. Fucking really? Well, guys, it's out and I'm pretty pumped because that means we are one step closer to putting 496 cubic inches of Detroit iron in this old square body. That combined with the Allison transmission means we'll be able to tow anything, including the foundation of the house if we need to. Just the only thing we'll have to worry about is fuel consumption. But we're putting 2 tanks in, so fuel consumption. But hey, I'm pretty pumped about it. We have to get the transmission separated. We're going to hold on to this. We're going to eventually do a shift kit in this and probably put that into the 1970 Buick Skylark with the 6.0 LS and most likely some twin turbos in its near future. So until next time, remember, keep your shiny side up. Head over to LunarOutlaw.com, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, and all the other stuff that you're always berated to do. But most importantly, God bless and keep your shiny side up. I need to get out of here.